Hey folks, still warm across the valley this evening, still 93 in Rio Grande City. Much cooler at the coast, 77 Port Isabel right now. Raymondville's at 80, 87 in McAllen as we speak. Put the dew points on here and they're going down out west, down to 45 in Rio, but everybody else still has dew points in the upper 60s. So we're going to put this end of the valley on the muggy meter and we're going to see that it's up in the very muggy range, almost up to very humid. But remember, Rio Grande City's down here in the mid 40s and that's where this number is going to fall for everybody else overnight tonight and into tomorrow. That will allow temperatures to cool off a bit, down around 60 or so across most of the area. A little cooler in the west, a little more mild at the coast. And then tomorrow, instead of being in the 90s like much of the valley was today, tomorrow back into the mid 80s and cooler at the beach, about 77 degrees under sunshine. Spring officially begins at 11:15 tomorrow, and right as spring begins, temperatures stay mild. 83 tomorrow, 83 Wednesday, back to 85 on Thursday. That's a little above average, but not way out of line. The records are all up in the upper 90s, so we're not going to get there. Here's your satellite. It shows these waves of clouds going through, but they're done, and Future Track indicates that they're done. It'll be clear pretty much all night long now, and tomorrow mostly sunny. Looks like a very nice day across the area with the lower humidity. Do the same thing again on Wednesday. Start with clear skies, mostly sunny during the day. Temperatures bounce back into the 80s, but with low humidity, it's pretty comfortable. By Thursday, the wind comes back out of the southeast. That brings some clouds back in, so it's not quite as sunny, but still nice. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we really warm things up. So we're dry, dry, dry Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're really dry beyond that. We don't see much chance of rain coming in anytime soon at all. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. There are some cooler temperatures up north. Dalhart is 49. Dallas, Abilene both at 66, 80s south of that, but a pretty quiet day across the state. Where it is not quiet, move to the east just a little bit. We've got some big thunderstorms firing up today. Look at the radar, and there's a tornado watch out from the middle of Tennessee, including Nashville down to Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. They call this a PDS, a particularly dangerous situation. The indication is there will probably be a couple of large tornadoes embedded within this thing tonight in Tennessee, Alabama, parts of Mississippi perhaps before this night's over with. So everybody from Huntsville back to Tuscaloosa, keeping an eye on that. That's where the leading edge of the front is, the same front that came through here this morning with little or no fanfare at all. Kind of a secondary push of dry air comes overnight, making tomorrow really comfortable. High pressure builds in Wednesday. By Thursday, it's already moving eastward. Once that happens, the wind comes back out of the southeast. Warm, humid air comes back in again. Once that happens, it's here to stay for a while. We don't see another front through the rest of the forecast period. At the coast, there's a northeast wind 12 to 18 knots, a moderate chop. A small craft advisory now in effect as the wind's likely to kick up later tonight. A low risk of rip currents. 3 tides starting with a high tomorrow morning, and then another low and then another high after that. So tonight, our low of about 60, cleared and cool. The drier air pushes in overnight, and then tomorrow, mostly sunny, warm but less humid. Your high tomorrow about 83 degrees. So 83, 83, 85. Then we go to 85 again on Friday, and then the weekend right back up to 90 and 93 again for Saturday and Sunday. By Monday, we kind of hold close to that. Spring starts by midday tomorrow. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.